Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Nest error code 10007400. The error reads, "Failed to initialize launcher." As per our research, the error comes when users try to load into the game. The game fails to start and shows this message before it even launches fully. According to our research, the error may be caused by network issues, firewall interference, or server maintenance. First, power cycle your device along with the network. Simply turn off both your device and router, then unplug them, then wait for a few minutes, then turn them back on. After that, check if the error still comes. If you still have the error, then also make sure your game is updated. If the error still comes, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot network and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then temporarily disable your device firewall and check if the error goes away. If the error still continues and you have a VPN, then try connecting through the VPN and see if this resolves the issue. At last, if you still have the error, then probably the game servers are undergoing maintenance or facing an outage. To get server updates, visit us .dragonnest.com/news/notice/maintenance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.